Good morning, everybody. I am Dr. Achin Verma. Today, presenting academic information regarding a virus, it can be of family already, which is a pandemic virus nowadays, and is globally known as COVID-19 or novel virus. Now, I hope that this lecture will be beneficial for safer of life and will provide some academic information to all of you. First of question came to what is virus? Viruses are acellular entities. They can reproduce only in cytoplasm of living cell because they are obligate intercellular parasite. Complex virus particle of virion have one or more molecules of DNA or RNA enclosed in a protein coat. Virus morphology has been intensely studied over past decades, but the progress has come from the use of several techniques like electron microscope and X-ray diffraction, etc. Viruses which made of RNA can mutate rapidly to give rise to new type. Viruses range in size, they from 10 to 400 nanometer in diameter. A small virus is smaller, a little larger. Smallest virus a little larger than ribosome, whereas the pox virus, which include vaccinia, are about the same size as the smallest bacteria and can be seen under simple microscope, compound microscope. But most viruses are, however, too small. They cannot be seen in simple light microscope. We have to view them in electron microscope in scan in the SAM or TAM. A virus particle, also known as virion, consists of gene made from DNA or RNA, which held within a protective coat of protein called capsid, which also aid in its transfer between host cell. The protein used to build the capsid are also called promoter or capsomeres. Some viruses are surrounded by lipid of fat, lipid bubbles called envelope, which made them vulnerable to soap and alcohol. Now when we are talking virus which we are talking about, corona. Corona is a Latin word which means sun outermost layer. Coronavirus is single RNA strand of genome size 27 kbp to 31 kbp having helical symmetry with the presence of envelope 14 to 16 diameter of helical symmetry and 18 to 160 diameter of envelope virion, which replicate in cytoplasm of host cell and use host Golgi apparatus and endoplasmic reticulum budding, which causes human respiratory infection. Its family is Coronaviridae. A species of coronavirus which has been reported are HCO-VNL63, HKU1, SARS and MERS, and COVID-19, also known as novel virus. These are nanoparticles. Human coronavirus NL63 is single-stranded positive sense RNA virus which affect moderate upper respiratory tract infection, sub-lower respiratory tract infection. Human coronavirus HKU1 originated from infected mice. In human, infect the upper respiratory disease, which symptom of common cold, but can advance to pneumonia and bronchitis. Positive sense single stranded RNA is it is, and the other SARS is even acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and MERS is Middle East respiratory syndrome. And COVID-19, when we talk about COVID-19, it's a single stranded RNA enclosed structure. Its size of capsid assembly cytoplasm, where it's going in the cytoplasm of the host cell, belong to family Coronaviridae. It is bronchitis infectious virus which infect upper respiratory tract of human. COVID-19 is an infectious disease and caused by several acute respiratory syndrome, which was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, in China, and has since spread globally, resulting in an outgoing epidemic as on 21st May 2020, more than 1 lakh cases has been reported in India, resulting in more than 3,000 deaths and more than 40,000 people. It is good news that they recovered from COVID-19. And COVID-19 cases it's having reported across 187 countries and territories. Now, what are the symptoms of COVID-19? It include fever, cough, fatigue, shortness of breath, and loss of taste and smell. While the majority of cases result in mild symptoms, some progress to acute respiratory distress syndrome, multi-organ failure, septic shock. The time from exposure to onset of symptoms is typically around 5 days, but may range from 2 to 14 days. Recommended measures to prevent infection include frequent hand washing, maintaining physical distance. Physical distance is very important, and you have to wash our hand again whenever you came outside. You have to take bath. These are some measures. So, because it's very important to control this COVID-19, and if there some symptom is someone is feeling that he's or she is infected with COVID-19, then they have they quarantine themselves if symptoms are occurring, and covering cup and keep unwashed hand away from face. The use of face covering is recommended for those who suspect they have the virus and caregivers who taking care of those patients. Recommendation for face covering used by general public varies with some authorities. Some say that this is essential to cover the face with mask, and other authorities are saying though there is no need for covering. Only those person who are suffering from COVID-19, they have to cover their face. So it's a matter of their interest that some authorities are favoring it and some are not favoring it. So but if you are going in public places, then you have to cover your face with mask or cloths, and properly take wash your hand with soap and water, and if it's not available, then wash your hand with sanitizer. Now how we can we diagnose this COVID-19. The standard method of diagnosis is by real-time reverse transcription polymerase reaction, RT-PCR, for the from a nasopharyngeal swab. Chest CT imaging may also be helpful for diagnosing an individual where there is a high suspicion of infection based on symptom and risk factor that the patient is suffering from COVID-19. Fever, it's most common symptom, although some older people and those with other health problem experience fever later in the disease. Other common symptoms include cough and loss of appetite, fatigue, shortness of breathing, sputum production, and muscle and joint pains. So, in some cases in China initially present with only chest tightness and palpitation. A decreased sense of smell or disturbance in taste may also occur. Loss of smell, symptom which was presenting 30% of confirmed cases in South Korea, is also symptom of COVID-19. The disease is spread during close contact, often by small droplet producing during coughing, sneezing, or talking. During close contact to 1 to 2 meter, people catch the disease after breathing contaminated droplets that were exhaled by infected peoples. Contaminated droplets also cause infection when they settle in the noses or mouths of people in close proximity. However, the droplets are relatively heavy, usually fall to the ground or surface, and do not travel far through the air. People are most infectious when they show symptom, even mild or non-specific symptom, but may be infectious for up to 2 days before symptom appear. That a pre-symptomatic transmission is occur. They remain infected and estimate to 7 to 12 days in moderate cases and an average to 2 weeks in several cases. Some people have recovered with showing symptom and may still be able to suspect COVID-19, although uncertainty remain. Studies found that to the infection by endocytosis in entering in cytoplasm and lose its genomic element which multiply. After 5 days by exocytosis, these genomic elements come outside and infect to other persons. A study also found that virus load was highest at symptom onset and so may have peaked before symptom developed. some people, when we according to, there are some symptoms, various symptoms. Some have got loss of appetite, but this virus this virus goes into the host cell and in its cytoplasm, and they start replicate by they infect by endocytosis, and by exocytosis genomic, when came outside, they spread and infect other person. According to World Health Organization, there is no available vaccine, no specific antiviral treatment for COVID-19. And on May 2020, United States gave emergency use authorization to antiviral remdesivir for people hospitalized with COVID-19. Management involved the treatment of symptoms. Supportive care, isolation, and experimental measures all has been taken. The WHO declared the COVID-19 outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 30 January 2020 and a pandemic on 11 March 2020. When the contaminated droplets fall to floor or surface, they can show less commonly remain infectious as people touch contaminated surface and their eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. On surfaces, the amount of active virus decreases over the time. It can no longer cause infection, and surfaces are not thought to be main way that the virus spread. It is unknown what amount of virus on surface is required, the particular number of virus to infect the person. But it can be detected at up to 4 hours. These viruses can remain on copper, and up to 1 day on cardboard, and up to 3 days on plastic and stainless steel. Surfaces are easily decontaminated with household disinfectant which kill the virus outside the human body or on the hand. Disinfectants or bleach are not a treatment. Sorry, disinfectant or bleach are not a treatment for COVID-19 and cause health problem when not used properly, such as when used inside human body. Preventive measures to reduce the chances of infection include staying at home, avoiding crowded places, keep distance from others, washing hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, practicing good respiratory hygiene, maintaining good respiratory hygiene, and avoiding touching the eyes or nose or mouth with unwashed hands. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention (CDS) of the USA recommend covering the mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, and recommended using the inside of elbow if no tissue is available. Then you can, with like this one, you can sneeze or cough if tissue is not available. So proper hand hygiene after any cough or sneeze is encouraged. The CDS has recommended the use of cloth face covering in public setting where other social distancing measures are different to maintain, in part to limit transmission by asymptomatic individuals. Also, no vaccine has completed clinical trials. There are multiple attempts in progress to develop a vaccine against COVID-19. Now we have observation on the number of patient and death rates in top state of India. The person who have infected from COVID-19. So in Maharashtra state, the patient approximate 35,000, and over there the death of COVID-19 patient is of 1,249. And Gujarat, it's approximately 11,000 and approximate 600 deaths are reported there. In Tamil Nadu, 11,760 patients has been reported and 81 deaths are reported there. In Delhi, 10,554 COVID-19 patients reported and 116 deaths from COVID-19 are reported there. And in Rajasthan, 5,507 COVID-19 patients are reported and 138 deaths occur there. In Madhya Pradesh, 5,236 patients of COVID-19 reported and 252 deaths reported there. And in Uttar Pradesh, 4,605 patients have been reported, and on it's the data of up to 21st May 2020, and death is of 118 patients from COVID-19 have been reported there. So in India, more than 1 lakh COVID-19 patients are reported, and approximate 3,000 deaths have been reported there. But people are recovering in India. maximum number of people are recovering. So why these data? We observed that in India up to on 21st May 2020 data shows that Uttar Pradesh government doing better effort than other top states of India. So these all are the about COVID-19, and these what I tell you is about that you know about coronavirus and you take safety measures from that. This totally lecture is to give knowledge to the all of you. So about coronavirus, what is COVID-19, and COVID-19 is a virus of family community. So COVID-19, we can only take protective measures up to present time. Medicine is going to we are all the scientists are trying to develop medicine all over the world, but due to its spike protein, because COVID-19 have a spike protein over its surface and it's changed. So due to changing in this spike protein, the mutations is mutation occurs in this virus, and so that no particular medicine is perfect to treat this to prevent this COVID-19. So hope that soon we our scientists will discover some medicines of this COVID against this COVID-19. Until then, we have to make hygiene, take proper care, and maintain our immunity. Thank you.